Ready to 3D print something and your file is in 3MF format? This is actually the next generation of 3D printing files, better than STL in every way. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, and print from these 3D manufacturing format files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective 3.mf file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. 3MF files are 3D manufacturing format files designed by the 3MF Consortium as a modern replacement for STL and additive manufacturing. They store complete 3D print job data, including mesh geometry materials, colors, textures, build platform layout component assemblies, and print ticket settings in a single comprehensive package for 3D printing workflows. 3.mf files use a zip-compressed OPC open packaging convention container holding XML files that define triangular mesh geometry with vertex positions and triangle indices. The format supports material and color definitions, texture coordinates, multi-object assemblies, beam lattice structures, and print ticket metadata within a validated extensible XML schema. The designated application for the 3MF file is Microsoft 3D Builder from Microsoft Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows offers limited visibility for this category, so full inspection requires dedicated 3D software. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the 3.mf file and choose Open With. If Microsoft 3D Builder is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If the 3MF file won't budge, stay calm. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening in 3D Viewer. Windows 10 and 11 include 3D Viewer, which natively opens 3MF files. Double-click the 3MF file or right-click and select Open within 3D Viewer. The application renders the model with materials and colors in a 3D viewport, where you can orbit, zoom, and inspect the model from all angles before sending to a printer. Next, preparing for 3D printing. Open the 3MF file in your 3D printer's slicer software, such as Cura Prusa Slicer or Bamboo Studio. The slicer imports the model with any embedded materials orientation and build plate placement. Configure print settings including layer height infill and supports then slice and export G-code for your specific 3D printer hardware. Finally, editing the model. Import the 3MF file into Microsoft 3D Builder for basic mesh editing such as splitting, merging, scaling, and repair. For advanced modeling, open the 3MF in Blender Fusion 360 or SolidWorks. These applications can modify geometry, add components, and re-export to 3MF format, preserving the manufacturing data and material assignments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.